Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. This is Chef Ajay and today I'm cooking a simple pea and pilau rice for you. I've been getting so many requests for pilau rice to pair with the lockdown curries that you guys have been cooking. So here's my recipe. This is the ultimate recipe for fluffiest rice. In a white pan, add ghee or oil. I'm cooking my pilau rice in a ghee because it is a saturated fat and pilau rice tastes best when cooked with ghee. Add cumin seeds, let them pop, and add whole spices. I will leave the list of ingredients in the description box. After a couple of minutes, add sliced onions and fry them until they are brown. Keep stirring and keep the flame medium to low because you want to caramelize the onions, and if the pan is too hot, it will burn the onions and make them bitter. Once the onions have caramelized into brown color, add green peas. I have used green peas which were frozen and I've thawed them with the warm water. So veggie pilau rice is what my wife likes, but if you're like me, chop up your chicken and put it into your pan, cook it for a few minutes at this stage, and you have another variation of pilau rice, which is chicken pilau rice. And feel free to add any vegetables of your choice, such as green beans, carrots, or cauliflower if you would like to have your pilau rice with vegetables. Fry them for a couple of minutes and add long grain basmati rice. Now toast your rice for a couple of minutes before adding any water. This will give your rice a toasted and a crisp flavor. Now pour in some water and mix rice, spices and peas. Once your rice starts to boil, add salt and fresh lemon juice. Rice has a starch that gets them to stick and become clumpy after they're cooked, and the lemon juice works as an acid and it prevents the rice from sticking and clumping. Get to taste seasoning at this stage, add just if necessary because you won't get a second chance. Immediately cover the pan with the lid and put the flame down to low and let the pilau rice cook for 10 minutes. Do not open the lid at all. After 10 minutes, put the flame off and let the steam do rest of the cooking. Do not open the lid for another 7 to 8 minutes. And now when you open the lid, you have a fluffiest and a beautiful cumin and pea pilau ready. Stick the top of a knife in the middle of pilau rice and you don't see any water on it. The rice has absorbed all the water and have become fluffy and soft. And you can see they are falling apart from each other and have no clumpy or sticky bits. And you can see that they have beautifully cooked and they are falling apart from each other and they are not clumpy or sticking at all. There you go guys, this was my cumin and pea pilau rice for you. I hope you loved watching this video, and if you have any questions, please do ask me below, and do pair my pilau rice with the lockdown curries I've been sharing and you will totally love them. As always, see you in my next video.